Have you ever wanted to make your sentences more detailed and interesting? Instead of saying the boy ran, we can say the boy ran quickly. Today, we are learning how to use adverbs in sentences. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothin Fancy Literacy, where we provide simple, clear grammar lessons for students, teachers, and ESL learners. Today we are learning how to use adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs. They tell us how, when, or where something happens. Let's start with a simple sentence. He ran. That's a complete sentence, but we can improve it. He ran quickly. The word quickly tells us how he ran. That means quickly is an adverb. Let's try another example. They arrived. We can improve it. They arrived yesterday. The word yesterday tells us when they arrived. That is an adverb. One more example. She looked. We can improve it. She looked everywhere. The word everywhere tells us where she looked. That is an adverb. Let's go over that again. Adverbs describe the verb. They tell us how, when, or where. They make sentences more interesting. Now it's your turn. She spoke softly. They ate outside. Find the word that describes the action. Underline or color the adverbs. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to subscribe to Nothin Fancy Literacy for more simple, clear grammar lessons.